What's up guys, Chummy here with another video. We have here Mitsubishi Mirage. Today we're going to change driver belt. This particular car not comes with the tension or anything. Only thing we had to do is just loosening the top and bottom bolt for alternator. The bottom bolt is 14 mil and the top one 12 mil. Top one is loosened and this is the tensioner bolt. So once we loosen this one, you can easily push back the alternator. Like that, and then easily we can remove the driver belt like that. Because I'm not going under the car, we can't see the diagram. Stay with me until end of the video. I'm gonna show you the diagram as well. And this particular car comes with the air condition, and some of Mitsubishi Mirage not comes with the AC. Then the without AC mean the belt length is shorter than the other belt. So this particular car comes with the AC, which is we have to get the longer belt. So I already put the belt on, and now we need to adjust the tensioner bolt. Once we've done that, and just tie top bolt here, it's 12 mil. And then bottom bolt. Pretty much that's it guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see day-to-day new video. And the as I said, this is the diagram. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you with another video.